Welcome, Elkin Rodriguez.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
What are your impressions about the event so far?
Okay, I think it's an amazing event because, as you know, technology is growing fast, and this kind of events help us to be update and to be challenged in terms of the changes of the industry. So I think AdColony is doing a great job in terms of this kind of events at the global scale.
You talked about brand safety just a minute ago. So what are the emerging opportunities and threats for brands in this digital environment?
We need to challenge the technologies in terms of ad platforms. You know, DSPs, Google, Facebook, to know aware about this topic, because they are doing part of the job, and we need a complete job, because as I mentioned, the result of this kind of process is not complete. We need to be more accurate. We need to be to give the extra mile on this. So it's a hard work that we need to do united.
You need to collaborate more.
Yeah, that's correct.
So the last question. Regarding your field of expertise, what will we talk about next year in AdColony Intelligence Summit, do you think?
I think technology is the main topic, and there's some connections that we need to integrate: data, audiences, clusters, brand safety, all in one. That's the challenge. Technologies that, like AdColony, must integrate the whole ecosystem. It's not our responsibility to get the audiences. Is the industry responsibility. So we need a complete process for this.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.